Tammie, Souza, if you've got anywhere to go, do it this morning and do it early because we have a huge winter storm on the way in and it's going to make a mess of the roads, walkways. Just everything in the area is going to be affected. It's 25 right now at O'Hare. Feels like 18 with a little bit of a breeze out of the north out there. This is sort of the calm before the storm. You don't really see a whole lot going on. Our real-time weather, clouds and radar. We have some snow in the upper atmosphere. Some of this may be hitting the ground out toward Ottawa. You may already be seeing some very light snow showers out there. But for the most part, all of this is beginning to make its way into the Kankakee River Valley. You can see the leading edge of snow, and then it changes immediately to freezing rain and sleet. Behind that, some rain as temperatures are going to be rising late today. So here's how we're going to break it down because we get a little bit of everything all day long. It's back and forth. We're going to see brief snow this morning. This is probably between about 9 and 10. Earlier than that if you're down along the I-80 corridor. Then we're going to switch over to an icy mix of freezing rain and sleet. That's when we could see the accumulating ice. This is what we're very concerned about across the area. This is into about mid-afternoon. Then warm enough to change over to rain. I think, in fact, closer to the lake, places like the city, you may see more sleet and rain and not accumulating ice from all of this. But this ends as snow this evening, and that's when we see the best accumulation. So our main concerns are ice accumulations on roads, walkways, and power lines, especially the power lines south and west of the city. Slippery roads, dangerous driving conditions, and we are going to see possibly those power outages, the best chance down along the I-80 corridor, south and west of the city. Over to you. The area. Here's what you need to know today. We're going to have rapidly changing conditions. This is going to start right along the I-80 corridor between 6 and 8. This should hit the loop between about 8 and 10 and up toward the Wisconsin state line between 10 and noon. Accumulating ice and snow are going to be the issue today. Not a whole lot of it, but just enough to cause problems. Travel troubles will be an issue. If you don't have to go anywhere, don't. Stay in. You do not want to be on the roads, whether it's rain, snow, or ice, because it's going to be actually switching back and forth so quickly. We have winter weather advisories. Now, that's everywhere in purple: Northwest Indiana, Cook County, Will, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, DeKalb County, not including Lake and McHenry, but you will see some snow today. This is where you could see a third up to 2/10 of an inch of snow, or 1 to 3 inches of snow, and 2/10 of an inch of ice. Ice storm warning. This is what I'm really concerned about. This is from LaSalle County through Grundy over to Kankakee County. You could see up to 3/10 of an inch of ice. That will bring down power lines combined with this brisk wind that we're going to see today. Already some light snow in the upper atmosphere. We may be getting some light snow out toward Ottawa and Peru. So this is going to be moving northward, and it's going to be with us all day long. You can see the mixing and the freezing rain already downstate. The main bulk of the system still over Oklahoma. So again, this is all day and all night. Let me walk you through the timing. Here we are, 8 o'clock. Already I-90 corridor looking at snow or a mix. Now we scoot ahead. Here we are, 10 o'clock. This is moving into the city. Scoot ahead. Noon, it's up to the Wisconsin state line. The pink is that freezing rain, but we could see some pockets of rain mixing in there on and off. This afternoon, freezing rain to rain. On the backside of it, this whole thing exits the area later tonight with snow. It'll be later tonight that we see our best chance for that 1 to 3 inches of snow. Back over to you.